In a faraway kingdom, King Ahmed and Queen Aisha were blessed with a beautiful daughter, Princess Zahra. She was no ordinary child. Her golden, shining hair seemed to glow like sunlight, and her kind, gentle heart won everyone's love. The royal family was overjoyed, but their happiness was short-lived. An evil witch, envious of the princess's beauty, cursed the family. One dark night, she snuck into the castle and kidnapped the young princess, taking her to a tall, magical tower hidden deep within a forest. The tower was tall, with smooth walls and no doors. Only a single window at the very top allowed a glimpse of the outside world. The witch locked Zahra there, casting a spell that made it impossible for her to escape. Years passed, and Zahra grew into a beautiful young girl. She spent her days in loneliness, staring out of the window at the sky. Every year, she watched colorful lanterns float into the air from a distant village, lighting up the night sky. She dreamed of seeing them up close, but her dream felt impossible. One evening, as Zahra sat by the window, tears streaming down her face, she whispered to herself, "If only I could see the world outside." Her sincere wish reached the heavens. Suddenly, her dimly lit room filled with a warm, golden glow. A sparkling fairy appeared, her wings shimmering like diamonds. She smiled gently and said, "Princess Zahra, your pure heart has called to me. I have come to grant you freedom and fulfill your wish." The fairy waved her wand, and a magnificent royal carriage appeared, drawn by two magical flying white horses. The carriage shimmered with gold, and the horses' wings sparkled like stars. As Zahra watched in amazement, her plain dress transformed into an elegant Islamic royal gown, adorned with pearls and gems. A delicate tiara rested on her head, and her glowing hair seemed even brighter. Zahra stepped into the royal carriage, her heart racing with excitement. The horses flapped their majestic wings and soared into the sky. As the carriage flew over the forest, Zahra looked down in awe. She saw the glowing lanterns from the village and the shimmering lake below. For the first time in her life, she felt free. The carriage finally landed in the courtyard of a grand castle. Zahra stepped out, her glowing hair catching the attention of everyone around. King Ahmed and Queen Aisha, who had been celebrating the annual Lantern Festival, noticed her immediately. The queen rushed toward Zahra, her heart pounding. She gently touched Zahra's face and golden hair, tears streaming down her cheeks. "This is my daughter, my Zahra," she exclaimed. The king embraced Zahra with joy, and the family reunited after years of separation. Just as the reunion was taking place, the evil witch appeared in a swirl of dark smoke. Her eyes blazed with anger as she shouted, "Zahra is mine. She will never escape me." The witch raised her staff to cast a spell, but before she could attack, Zahra's golden hair began to glow brighter than ever. The light grew so intense that the witch screamed, unable to withstand its brilliance. In moments, the light engulfed her, and she vanished forever. With the witch defeated, the entire kingdom celebrated Zahra's return. The castle was filled with laughter, music, and colorful lanterns. Zahra stood beside her parents, finally at peace. Every year after that, Zahra joined her family to watch the Lantern Festival. She often rode her magical carriage into the sky, waving to her people below and cherishing her freedom. And so, Princess Zahra lived happily ever after, a shining light in her kingdom.